The world faces ever-evolving digital threats, and today's cyber education lacks hands-on training and real-life experience. That's why businesses, law enforcement, and defense forces around the globe turn to ThinkCyber's CYBERIUM Arena Simulator. The CYBERIUM Simulator allows trainees to practice and upgrade their defense, offense, and ICS SCADA capabilities, using a unique methodology to turn real events into scenarios. The simulator offers a 360 solution, including labs, books, reports, projects, and preparation for international certifications. The labs hold questions and tasks to support the training, and students can track their progress and results at any time. Trainees must complete a built-in project, which reflects the knowledge they've acquired and their ability to produce defense and assault tools. The reports help the trainer evaluate trainee strengths and weaknesses. Network research, penetration testing, forensics, SOC analyst, cyber warfare, web application hacking, ICS and SCADA, and more than 25 built-in programs. The CYBERIUM Arena Simulator by ThinkCyber.